Before we dive into the more hands-on portion of this course, I wanted to give you some tips on how you can make the most out of your learning with us. The first tip that I have for you is when we start creating our own boards, both our physical and our digital board, make sure that you follow along with us and that you create your own board and you actually use it. If you need to, pause some of the videos, create your own physical or your digital board, and start to actually implement it, design it, add your different tasks, and actually use it over the course of the time that you follow through this course as well as afterward. Now, everyone's going to have a different preference. Whether you use a physical or digital Kanban board, really it's up to you. And we will talk about the various benefits of both. But just keep in mind, as you go through this course, I want you to actually create your own board and use it after we go through this entire course. Tip number two I have for you is to slow down or speed things up with the video player when needed. I tend to talk rather fast for most people, so if you need to, you can use the video settings in order to slow things down. You can take things from 1x speed all the way down to 0.75x speed or even 0.5x speed if I talk very fast. Additionally, you can feel free to pause the video whenever you need to. If you need to take notes, you need to take a break, whatever you need to do at any point in this course, you can dial back that speed and you can feel free to pause whenever necessary. Additionally, you can also speed the video up. So if at times I'm just talking a little bit too slow, feel free to speed the video up. You can use the video player to speed things up to 1.25x, 1.5x, 1.75x, or even 2x if you need to. The third tip I have for you here is just understand that this is a mini course. What I'm trying to do in this course is give you everything that you need to go out, create a Kanban board, and actually use it for whatever you need to use it for in order to boost your productivity, manage your various tasks better, and overall track your work. In this course, because it's a mini course, we're not going to delve into some of the more intricate aspects of Kanban. You might go out there and find a 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 hour course on Kanban. That is not what we're doing in this course. I'm not necessarily going over as much of the theory as I'm giving you all of the information that you need to immediately go out during this course and after this course and actually use the information that I give you to immediately start working with Kanban boards. There are many other courses out there that teach a wide variety about Kanban in general, and many of them are great courses. But this course specifically is designed as a mini course to get you up and running as soon as possible and working with Kanban immediately. The fourth tip that I have for you here is to be prepared for multiple presentation formats. We use not only the talking head and the PowerPoint, but we also use hands-on demos. As I talked about earlier in this course, we're going to be going through how you can use digital Kanban boards. I'm going to show you exactly how you can build out Kanban boards. And in order to do that virtually, I'm going to show you my screen hands-on, and we're going to run through some hands-on desktop view demos in order for you to get the most. So just be prepared for the different types of views and formats that we use in order to present information and in order to get you along for the ride as well as keep you engaged. The fifth tip I have for you here is to join us on our online communities. We've got great communities that have a wealth of information, great people that you can talk to and network with on different platforms, such as on our website, on our Facebook page, on YouTube, on our Udemy courses, on our LinkedIn, on our Discord, and many other platforms. And if you're looking to join a community of like-minded people who are furthering their education as well as their careers, well, our communities are a great place to do that and to meet new people. Finally, I wanted to talk about some different types of courses that you can take after you've completed this one and once you start using Kanban boards in the real world. And by no means are these courses the only ones that we offer. We offer a wide variety of different courses, from how to use Trello to how to use Asana to different types of project management tools, project management methodologies, and much, much more. These are just a few that you can take after you take this course. First here is the productivity and time management course, and this blends perfectly with this Kanban board course because you'll learn how to manage your productivity as well as your time in order to make the most, as well as in order to synergize well when you're using Kanban boards. From there, if you're looking to pursue any sort of certifications, I recommend that you take our certification strategy course. This course shows you exactly how you should study for, as well as take certifications in order to pass them. We talk about not only the different types of strategies that you can use when you're reading books and when you're watching videos and taking notes, but we also talk about hands-on when you're actually taking your certification exam, what types of best practices, what types of strategies, and everything that you need to implement and watch out for when you're taking those certification exams in order to have the best chance of passing them. You can also consider our project management tools course, as well as our general Asana and Trello course, which are completely separate. Now, for project management tools course, we talk about Monday, Asana, ClickUp, and Trello, and use cases for each one, as well as what the benefits, pros, drawbacks, cons, as well as different types of features that each one offers. This is a great course if you're looking to really understand which project management tool is best for you. Separately from that, we also have a dedicated Asana course, as well as a dedicated Trello course, and we're currently working on implementing and releasing a dedicated Monday course and a dedicated ClickUp course. So we've got a lot of different courses out there in regards to project management tools, and I recommend that you start next with our project management tools course specifically, because this one is going to help you weigh out all of these different for project management and task management tool options so that you can select the right one for you and your team's needs. And the final course that I recommend that you take after this one is the Build Your LinkedIn Career course. This is by far one of the most popular courses that we've ever created, and it's great whether you're looking for a job or you're looking to use LinkedIn for networking. We're going to show you exactly how you can build out your LinkedIn, whether you have a LinkedIn with thousands of connections or you're brand new to LinkedIn and you don't even have a profile, or you have one that you haven't used in years. The LinkedIn course is great for building out your LinkedIn, and it's got a lot of great templates. It's got a lot of great content that's going to help you build your LinkedIn from scratch. Overall, in this section, section one, we've talked about a lot of different topics. In the next section, section two, we're going to start to explore some of the theory as well as hands-on and demos of how to actually use Kanban boards, understand them, and how to implement them both from a physical and a digital or virtual Kanban board perspective.